Hello everyone. I need to add an outlet here for electrical bidet in my bathroom. Today I'm going to cut a hole in existing tile wall for electrical box without breaking any surrounding tiles. It's easy. Let's start. First, use a tape to mark cutting edge. The tape also prevents the tile from chipping when you cut. Second, tape a piece of wood half-inch thick, 1 inch wide, as a guide for grinder. I appreciate you watching video to this moment. If you like this short video, please hit like and subscribe. Also click notification bell. You won't miss any new video. If you plan to install bidet toilet seat, click this video. Thank you. See you next time.